Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today, I thought I show you the boom and crush one more awesome scalping trick. This trick is based on price action, and you have to understand first this trick, and again start practice. First of all, practice and start making more pips. The first thing I want to discuss, you all guys, I hope you all guys know that price action. Look here, I am going to draw one thing on this chart, and look here. What is this? This is the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, look here, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, if we convert this, head will be there and the shoulder. Okay, and this one, let me draw small. Look here, the first thing I want to show you how this head and shoulder works. And look here, if I am not wrong, look here, shoulder and head. Okay, and look how much pips, and the market goes where? Head and shoulder pattern. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Head and shoulder pattern always work because this is price action based thing. So look here and look this one, and look how many pips. Head and shoulder pattern, always find this thing, you will never fail. Okay, so look here, look this one, very awesome thing. And if you make pips, this scalping, and always I recommend, once you enter on this pattern, head and the shoulder pattern, always only just a few pips, collect and run. Okay, price action based, this is very awesome and accurate thing. And look here, head and shoulder pattern always work, always work, always work. A price action is a true thing, you have to learn things. And look here, if I'm not wrong, look here, guys, head and shoulder pattern. Look here, and look how many pips this is a buy. This is the pattern. Always find accurate pattern and feel free trade. Okay, once you find the pattern, and look here, that head and the shoulder pattern, and then a buy. This is very awesome trick. I found this trick. If you want to scalp, so also draw this head and shoulder pattern and make more pips. Okay, this thing always work. Okay, don't feel hesitate, always work this thing. Okay, but just you have to focus on head and shoulder right pattern. Okay, for buy and for sale. Okay, so once you understand this thing, so you will make more pips. I hope you all guys understand that the head and the shoulder, how it works and what is this thing. Look here, look this one, look here, and look how much pips. Head and shoulder pattern. Practice more and more till you master all things. And once you understand, feel free make more pips, more pips. This is not tricky, this is very easy. You have to just find things. Once you find clearly, you will make more and more pips. Really, it's awesome thing. I tested many times, it works. Price action is a true thing. If you focus on this thing, you will make more and more pips. And don't listen others. So practice first thing, and money management is the key. Don't listen others. If someone call you, this is not a good strategy, this is this. No, don't listen. Okay, use always proper risk management, and once you enter, close your and hold your emotions and trade, feel free. A prize action pattern, head and the shoulder. This is very awesome scalping trick in boom and crash. Okay, this is the boom and crash awesome trick. Okay, just to simply learn head and shoulder how it's work. Okay, this is very accurate thing. I hope you all guys understand. If you still have any question, feel free ask me.